Package content. 8*8Oz dark glass bottles with 8 black trigger sprayers and 8 caps. Adjustable and durable. Matching black trigger sprayers have 3 adjustment settings: stream, spray, and off. Rotate 90 degrees to achieve stream, spray, or turn off. Extra long internal stems to cut to your preference. Professional and multifunctional. This 8-ounce container is ideal for DIY and reuse, such as hair moisturizing sprays, insect sprays, pet sprays for fleas or odors, and house, floor or carpet cleaner natural air freshener. A mixture of vinegar and water, used to clean windows, moisturize cosmetics, wash vegetables, bathroom deodorants, and homemade skin and beauty formulas. UV Protection BPA free. Each amber glass spray bottle is eco-friendly, reusable, convenient to carry and store. Dark glass protects the liquid from sunlight. It's an essential item for a more natural lifestyle. Quality service. If you have any questions, please contact us immediately. This is our company should be run. Not giving consumers cause to have anxiety over whether or not they will be getting all the correct pieces. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent set with variety of sizes. This set of blue glass bottles contains multiple bottles of each size and included sprayer, roller or other tops that fit multiple sizes. This made it the most flexible set I have ordered. They are made of substantial glass and came well wrapped. Very pleased with order.